In this video, we're going to review the Mophie Juice Pack Connect. I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Let's check it out. So what's inside the box? Well, you have your USB-C cable that's used to connect it to charge it up. And you also have your Juice Pack Connect. And of course, that's the battery. And they give you a very nice cardboard guide so that you can place your Connect adapters on the back of your phone with evenly. And then you have your instructions and a cleaning pad. And then you got your two Connect adapters. And then finally, you have your Connect stand.
The main features are power on demand, Q wireless charging, charges through lightweight cases, as a Connect stand included, with a 5,000 milliamp battery, which give you a charge up to 70% extra charge. It's portable. It's ideal for the larger phones, maybe not so well for the smaller ones. It has a very small footprint for large phones.
Now let's see how to install it. First thing you want to do is you want to clean the back of your phone with the pad that was provided with. Then you want to use your guide to center the Connect adapter on the back of your phone case. Now you got to make sure that all the lines are equal on all sides before you place the adapter on it. And once you make sure that all your lines are equal on all sides, then the next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your adapter, and you're going to take your adapter and you're going to place it directly in the center of the guide there. Of course, you peel the plastic off the back and then you place it nicely. Now when you put it on there, you want to make sure that you push it down firm. You got to get a good seal on it. And you might want to even pick it up and kind of press it down. Make sure that it's firmly attached. Okay, so making sure that it's firmly attached. So that's how you set that up. Now, if you want to put your stand on the back, you just simply place it like so, and you see how the groove fit in there, and that's how your stand would be put on it. But now, what about the battery itself? Well, the battery itself is simple as well. You just got to make sure you have the guide pointed in the right direction in order to put it, attach it. Once you do that, you just slide it like so, and voila, it's done. And that's what it looks like with the battery connected to it. Very simple process, not that complicated, easy to do as long as you follow the instructions. Okay, so now what about the charging on it itself? Well, if you got the phone on, to charge it, to make sure that it's charging, you notice it popped up and it says charging. Now, one thing that I can say about the charge, it's not a fast charge. If you're looking for a fast charge, this is not going to be it. It basically, it's a regular charge, but it is wireless and it does work. I think that this could be used in a pinch if you need to get some power. Now it will work with any type of phone that has that QI, that Qi type of charging system on it. You just got to make sure that the case on it is a thin case, and make sure that it's not too thick, so that you will be able to use it to charge it through the case. Okay, so to charge it, you just simply press the button and a light will light up. You got 4 different LED indicators on there letting you know how much power you have on the battery. And then on the top you also have an LED light letting you know that it is charging. Okay, so the stand can be used as a stand, or you can place it on the table or wherever you want to place it at. It's nice. You can use it as a carrying, a holder to carry it as well, or for safety to prevent you from dropping your phone. So it's a nice addition.
My final thoughts. This Juice Pack Connect is a nice charger in a pinch. It's lightweight, portable, with a small footprint for large phones. It works with any phone with a Q charging system. The only negative is that it's not a fast charger. So if you want your phone to be charged fast, this is not the charger for you. However, if you want a fast charger, you can check out my review on the Anker Power Core 10,000. Now, I got my juice pack for $79 and I use it in a pinch. So if you want something for an emergency situation, this would be a nice accessory to have. This has been a quick review of the Juice Pack Connect. If you found value in this review, please subscribe, hit the like, ring the bell, share, and comment. A link to the product will be in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'm Bertrand Techman. Remember, before you buy anything, always first check it out.
Be strong. Be strong.